Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream. The heat from the blow dryer removes any stickiness, and seems to soften and set the curls. Works great for curly hair, smells amazing. A little heavy, so a small amount goes a long way, but that's manageable. It turns out the pump works as a vacuum pressure moves it up and out. This item is great for a leave-in conditioner that enhances your curl as well as adding that shine you expect from this line. Corkscrew, and this stuff adds much needed oil to the natural dryness of curly hair without weighing it down, or making it look like an oil slick. It tones down the frizz, and defines the curls without weighing them down, or feeling crunchy. The only possible con is the smell, which doesn't bother me, but does bother some people. It is a strong smell. If you are looking for something unscented, this is not the product for you. The products are a little expensive, but last a long time, and are worth the cost. If you love perfectly soft curls, and no crispy feel, this product is for you. She says it makes her hair curl better, but feel soft at the same time. Love this product, and it does not leave your hair crunchy yet keeps the curls in place. But this one is for me. This great for soft curls to wavy hair without weighing it down. This cream also smells really good, and doesn't leave her hair feeling greasy or oily. Works really well, but one thing, it smells good, but the smell is so strong, it makes me headache a little bit. It's a pretty heavy cream that gives good definition, and prevents a lot of frizz, but doesn't leave the crispy crunchy feeling that other heavier curl creams do. Works well, but not as well as the original from Moroccanoil's website. This is not an authentic product. This product helps bring wavy curls out, but does not make hair look stiff like a gel product would. The day after hair is really wonky looking, so be prepared to wash more often. It helps keep your hair in a nice curl, or wave, and helps with frizziness. However, be wary of buying it from unauthorized dealers online. Mine was either watered down, or expired. Perfect curl without any of the crunch that you get from most of the other curling products you see. Smells amazing too. Living in Texas, humidity is an ongoing battle, and this keeps it intact without the frizz. It keeps it defined, but soft, and not crunchy. It's like a lotion consistency, and melts into your hair. The price is kind of high, but it lasts a long time, so worth it. He is African American, half Ethiopian, and it's the only thing that adds shine while providing curl definition. Don't do it. This product is full of silicone and fragrance, with a tiny bit of quality argan oil. At first it feels like a dream, but after the silicone builds up it ends up being a nightmare. Soft, manageable curls without the stiff, crunchy feel you get with so many other products. He says it is strong when first applied, but it does smell nice after it sits a while. It would probably work fine on thicker hair, but it's not so great for thin and fine hair. Definitely worth the money if you're someone like me who has struggled with unmanageable hair. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.